Say hi, baby. Come back. Emmett. Emmett. Who's that guy in the mirror? Say hi. Can you give him a kiss? Can that baby have a kiss? Maybe. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Give him a kiss. Are you gonna blow him a kiss? Okay. Give him a high five. High five. Give him one. Oh, you want to give mommy one? Okay. High five. Yeah, now give the baby a high five. Ooh, double high five. Yeah. Tell him. Say you're a handsome dude. Ooh, kisses. Kisses. Ooh. Emmett, hey, come back. Emmett, come here. Come here. Yeah. Okay, can you and the baby make the funny face? Go. Yeah, that baby makes a good funny face too, huh? Okay, say bye-bye. Turn around. Say bye-bye.